Dasha.
I'm Katerina.
I'm Julio.
And actually there should be also Maya, Malik and Chioma, and we are team
Driversity.
Of course it can be challenging, especially when some members have bad internet connection.
It might feel that people working remotely needs like more attention from you, more tolerance maybe sometimes. But I think it's important to remember that it's actually harder for people working remotely and they put more efforts. So we always kept that in mind, and I think it helped us.
So we kind of had to align the roles a little bit, different to what we have expected initially, I would say. So that was something we had to do, or we had to find out ourselves in the team, which was with my teammates on site, but also obviously including the ones who were remote.
We managed to just find as well perfect schedules for them, and it worked out quite well, I would say.
To work remotely in a hybrid format is actually pretty awesome as well, because for a lot of people it's not easy to come to Germany for the DPS, to get a visa for 3 months for this 3-monthly program, right? And we had 2 people working remotely in our team as well. We were super grateful that those 2 were joining our team remotely all the time, and I mean, they contributed as much as we did in the end.
I mean, there was never a time where we got stuck. It was more that we maybe got lost in ideation at a point, but we saw it as an opportunity to just dig deeper into ideation, and I think there was never a real problem.
Me personally, as an interaction designer, I was really glad that everyone from the team was involved in user research and doing experiments together. I think it helped everyone to understand the problem space and also emphasize to users.
Yeah, also including everyone in the ideation part was super important, because every team member, despite the role, was really into the product that we finally created. It just helped to also understand what we're actually doing.
The most important thing was that we focus on the learnings for ourselves. That's why we joined the DPS in the first place. And in the team we said that it's most important that, and actually crucial, that all of us like the idea. All of us identify ourselves with the idea and feel like we have contributed to develop the idea as well. And we managed to build something we are actually super proud of. And I think that's my favorite part of the project. JJ is a proactive voice assistant in the car, helping the driver or the user to overcome potentially frustrating situations while driving the last mile in urban traffic situations by identifying the context from a technical perspective in which it might be suitable to actually give proactive content to the user to minimize the cognitive load by giving as much service information as possible.
Yeah, it's family. It's kind of like we grew together. We've seen each other every single day, every morning. Like they were the first people I've been seeing for the last 3 months, and we were just really lucky that we all got along so well, and we really grew together as a family. And it was already sad not to see these guys for the last days. So yeah.
Yeah, for us the story continues, since like one other team member is coming to Munich in August. We will reunite for sure, and we will stay in touch.
I'm sorry.
Okay guys, so would you like to give a shout out to your teammates who are not here with you today for the recording? So first, Chioma, our Agile coach from Nigeria, thank you so much for always being there for us, for watching us as our guardian angel. It was just great to have you in our team, and thank you for all your kind words.
Yeah, I'll send my greetings to Maya, whom we actually met in person, but she cannot join us today, unfortunately. It was great to work with her. She's this superstar developer, For me, she's an example of a woman in tech, you know, strong personality, pursuing her career. Yeah, hugs and greetings.
And I'm doing the shoutouts to Malik, our second software engineer from Afghanistan, who's actually coming to Germany. We as a team were working on organizing the visa to come to Germany to join us for the batch, which unfortunately didn't work out because the visa process takes a lot of time. But eventually we managed to get him here after the batch and to get us to know in person. And Malik, you all know we love you, we appreciate your work, you're highly skilled, super talented, and we are super happy to meet you here in Munich.